Hello, welcome back to the channel. Are you searching for a way to earn consistent monthly income with just 15 minutes of your time? Then you came to a right place. In this video, I will share a strategy of Mahesh Chandra Kaushik sir in which we can generate monthly returns using the ETF. The strategy is properly known as ETF shop. I am personally using this strategy and I have earned over rupees 50,000 from the last 1 year. I will also share a Google Sheet link with you using which you can track the investment done by you in your own ETF shop. So the strategy is quite simple. But before that, this is my monthly income. Every month I am getting some income from it. When I have started with 25,000. That's why the earning is not much. But now I am earning around 5,000. See, from the last 2 months, in September month I have earned 5,900. In October month, I have earned 5,300. And after deducting the tax and dividend, I am getting like 4,000, 3,000, and the best is 7,000. So this is the regular income I am getting every month. So the strategy is quite simple. We have a top ETF list, and from there we will be buying one ETF every day which has fallen the most from its 20 DMA. Okay. We will sell the ETF once it reaches 3% target, but with profit trailing. Profit trailing means if that ETF is continuing to rise, we will not sell it. We will trail the profit. But if it has started going down, means if it is in loss any day, then we will sell it. We'll buy ETF. We'll buy the bought ETF if it has fallen 3%. Only if we don't have any new ETF to buy. For selling, we will trail the profit after 3%. And if the ETF has gone down on any day, we will sell it. We will sell all the ETF which has attained 3% and has fallen on that particular day. So let me go through the sheet and show you how I have created this sheet. Before that, so what I have done is I have taken this ETF list 16 October. So on 16th October, I have get this list from the NSE website. You can also get it from the NSE website. It will give all the ETF which is available. Okay. Now, once you download this, you will also have liquid ETF, which is actually like 1 day rate, liquid one, liquid add. These are debt ETF. So we will not take into consideration. So what I have done is I have removed all those ETF which are liquid and only have taken the equity ETF and also changed the underlying assets so that everything is matching. So as you can see, Nifty is Nifty 50, silver, these so many silver. So I have created the underlying asset of all the silver, similarly gold, and then I have created this list. So the list has around 191 ETFs, whereas the master list has around 223. So we have removed all the debt funds from it. So we have 191 ETFs, equity as well as the metal ETF like gold, silver. Okay. So we have created this list, and then what I have done is I have created the top ETF per asset. For per underlying asset, I have created what is the top ETF. How I have created the top ETF? Using the volume. Which underlying asset has the more volume, I have taken that. So for Nifty 50 asset, Nifty Bs has the maximum volume. So I have taken that. Similarly for silver, silver Bs. For gold, gold Bs. Like that. How many ETF I have? I have 67 ETF which I have created. And after that, I have created the current market price and the 20 DMA. And then I have calculated what is the change between current 20 DMA and the current market price. So as you can see, I have calculated this, and then this is the total calculation. Okay. I will share the link of this Google Sheet in the description, so you can actually take a copy of this and start your investment journey. So now what I have done is, after having all this percentage change between 20 DMA and CMP, I have taken the top 20 ETF to buy based on the 20 DMA. So what I have done is I have given it in the ascending order, like which descending order which has fallen the most. So as you can see, auto ETF has fallen the most, that is minus 4.99, and similarly the next is FMGC ETF, and I have taken the top 20 ETF based on the 20 DMA. Okay. Now this is the ETF list which we have to buy every day. Now what I will do is, Say for example, today I'm gonna buy. So what I'm gonna do is I'll take this auto ETF, go to the bought ETF list, and then write. Say for example, today is 18th. So in 18th October 2024, what I'm gonna do is I'll take this copy and paste. Okay, for pasting, what you have to do is you have to do Control-Shift-V, okay, or paste values only. So once you do that, what is the price? 25.72. So I'll do 25.72. Quantity, I want to buy 100. So I have bought this auto ETF today, and then it will say what is the change today. Okay, now, so this is how I will buy every day. Now, once I buy it, it will tell you that do you hold this ETF or not. Okay, so from the next day, once you say for example tomorrow, if you are opening this seat, if you have already hold this ETF, you will not buy it again. You will buy the third ETF which you have not bought it, and which is third from the list itself. So first two you have already bought, and the third ETF you will buy. Okay, similarly you will write like 19th October, tomorrow is Saturday, sorry, Monday, 21st October, whatever is fallen, and then you will do that. Okay, next is the sold ETF. Okay, for sold ETF, as you can see, this is the profit and loss percentage. Whenever it goes above 3%, I will make it as a green. Okay, that is the conditional formatting I have done. As you can see, there is a conditional formatting where I have given the conditional formatting. Let me go this side, and then as you can see, this is a 3%. Whenever it is greater than 3%, I am making it green. Okay, this is the conditional formatting I have done. And then what is the today's price, if it has gone up or down. Okay, so see, for this FMCG, it has gone down today, change today, that is minus 1.23, and it has given me more than 3%. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sell this ETF today, and once I sell this ETF, what I'm gonna do is I'll just copy this. Okay, go to the sold ETF. Similarly, we have to do Control-Shift-V or paste values only. And then what is the sell date? Today is the sell date. For sell price, what is the sell price? Say for example, current market price is 64.06. So I have sold at 64. Say for example, I have sold all the 100, and I have given brokerage plus income tax, for example, 40 rupees. And what is the investment I have done till now? Say for example, I have done after this removal, I have done the investment of 80,000. So it will calculate the approx analyzed how much I am getting. So okay, and then what I'm going to do is I am going to remove this delete row from my bought ETF. So once I remove that, as you can see, this FMCG has gone, and then from next day, not today, but tomorrow, I can buy this ETF again if it is coming in this list. Okay, so this is how I will buy and sell the ETF, and then this will calculate what is my approx analyzed percentage. Okay, it is based on the month. Say for example, today the sum of profit and loss amount for my sell is 1400. How much I have invested? 80,000. This is the 8% I have got. Okay, yeah, this is all about the strategy. I have created this master link. I have created this ETF list 16 October. So now from next onwards, whenever there is any change, like if any new ETF comes on, I will be keep adding that in this ETF master link. Okay, I will be keep adding this master link. So you can make a copy of this sheet and then start your investment journey. It just take 5 minutes for selling and buying. Okay, so you have to give every day 5 minutes of your time for buying and selling, and then you can also earn monthly returns how I am getting. And as you can see, from the last 1 year, I have already told that I have earned more than 52,000 rupees. Okay, let me know in the comments if you are following this strategy, or if you want to know any more thing about this strategy or not. Yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, do comments. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe so that I can continue creating wonderful videos, informational videos, educational videos for you. Thank you.